Hi guys, and welcome back to my vlog! So ayun nga guys, I have always been talking about yung inflation dito sa Europe nung mga past videos ko dito sa YouTube. So for this time, it's already June 2024 and I've also recently been in Philippines and also nakita ko doon yung inflation ng prices. So, I haven't been in the Philippines for the past 5 years. Kaya nung bumalik ako, I was really so shocked. Ang mahal na dyan, friend. Pero it's the same also here in Finland. And dito sa Europe, like inflation, you can really feel the inflation, friends. Today, to share to you how much is my grocery shopping for this time. So, there are also products that I'm just going to use today and also for tomorrow. But there are also items that I'm going to like eat for the whole week. So, let's start! So, are you ready guys to see what are the items that I have shopped sa Prisma? So, Prisma is actually one of the biggest and most well-known grocery shop here in Finland. So, the first item that I'm going to share to you is this item from Marley. This is Karpalo and Rupale. So, Karpalo is more like cranberries and grapes. So, eto siya. I'm not sponsored by Marley or anything. So, yon. This is the juice that we have been, or I have also been loving. And this is very good for your ovaries, ganyan. Wait, Marley, how much is it? Marley is 2 euros and 29 cents. 2 euros and 29 cents for a 1 liter juice of this. Next is we have Kurko. Bulol ako sa R guys, so nahihirapan ako sa mga R na strong. Yung ba talaga na R. So this one, dito kasi sa Finland, per piece ang pagbili ng cucumber. So nakabalot na siya na ganyan. So this one alone is 0.71 euro. So, kinikilo mo to. Ganyan. Almost all the fruits that you're going to buy here in Finland, kailangan mong ikilo before ka pumunta dun sa cashier. And next is, we have one bundle of bananas. So, this is 2, 4, 6, 7 pieces. May sangasapad. And this will cost us a 1 euro and 37 cents. So guys, tip, pag pupunta kayo dun sa grocery shops, ilagay nyo yung, di ba may dalawang choices doon, which is yung parang white lang na plastic bag. And this is Biyoyate na plastic bag. So it's the same, you know, you could get this one. Ito yung kunin mo. Tapos dito mo na din ibasura yung mga Biyoyate mo. O diba? Nakagamit ka ng libreng Biyoyate. Kasi mahal guys dito ang Biyoyate na plastic. Ayan. So segregation talaga dito sa Finland. Next natin items is, I have bought 2 of these. This is Hercosienet or big mushrooms. These are the big mushrooms. And one of these, 1 euro and 69 cents. So, 2 of this one is 3 euros and 38 cents. Ayan. Kayo na muna ang convert. Next is bacon. So, ang gagawin po kasi natin is i-wrap natin to with bacon. So, yung bacon na to, this is from Co-op. Ito din yung pinakamura nila eh. Pekoni is 1 euro and 35 cents. So, this is only 140 grams of bacon. And then, of course, kapag gagawin natin yon, yung magbe-bake tayo ng ganito with the bacon. So, ang ginagawa kasi, inaalis yung stock, tapos nilalagyan namin ng ganito dun sa loob ng mushroom. This is tuore juusto. Ayan, tuore juusto cheese. Basta cheese siya. Hindi ko alam yung English niya. So, yung tuore juusto is 1 euro and 5 cents. So, kinuha ko din yung pinakamura, which is Co-op. Actually, this brand, yung Co-op na to, nagiging very popular na siya kasi nga, parang sila na yung pinakamurang brand dun sa loob ng grocery shop. And next, we have this tomate. Ito naka-sale siya today. This is 0.99 cents. So, 0.99 cents siya, mga friend. Next is this one. Valposipoli na bread. Garlic bread. Ito, garlic bread siya, guys. Alam nyo ba, dito sa Finland ko lang nalaman na grabe, ang dali-dali lang pala magluto ng garlic bread. Kasi ready-made na siya. And, kapag lulutuhin mo to, basahin mo siya muna. Like, di ba, pag ganyan yung faucet, tapos, iganon mo lang siya konti. Tapos, yun. Lagay mo na sa oven. Hindi ko alam bakit, pero ganun talaga. Next, is may porco sa latte tayo. So, ito mga ganyan. How much is this one? €1.09. €1.09. Tapos, ito guys, €1.89. Yes, they call this Valkosipoli Voy Patonki. So, yan yun. And then, bumili din ako ng dalawang ganito. So, ito, yung sa Liha Pulat, ito yung mga binabaon ko. Ang isa nito is €1.95. So, madalian na lang to. I-microwave mo lang, tas yan na yung lunch ko. So, kuha lang to, meatballs, tapos, ano na to? Mashed potato. Ayan. So, ang isa nito is €1.95. So, ang dalawa nito is €3.90. Yan. Tapos, bumili din ako nito. Recipe Raka. Ito, Recipe Raka, kinakain pag umaga, ganon, or pang snack. So, isa ito sa traditional na food ng, ano to, ng Finland. Pakita ko yung itsura sa inyo. Ganito siya. Yan. So, Recipe Raka. So, apat to na piraso. Ganyan din, kinikilo niya din siya. So, this is €1.52. So that's the total products that I have bought for this grocery shopping only. And that cost us, it cost us €18.05. Tapos nagpulon palautos kasi ako. Nagbalik ako ng mga bottle. So, nagbenta ako doon. May €1.75 tayo doon. So, imbes na nasa €19 yung babayaran natin, €18 na lang. So, yun guys. Ito, ang ating resibo for this grocery. So, kapag €18, ay pati ang plastic bag dito guys is binabayaran yung sa grocery shopping. First time mo sa Finland, tapos may bibilhin ka dun sa Kaupa or dun sa shop, ikaw mismo yung magbabag ng groceries mo. Huwag mong hintayin na yung muya or yung cashier yung magbabag ng groceries mo. So yun guys, ito lamang ang aking isi-share for today. Ilang items? 12, 13 items for €18.05. I hope nagkaroon kayo ng insights kung paano na ngayon ang inflation dito sa Finland. So, for this time, okay pa naman. I'm starting to learn more with Smart, how to do grocery shopping in the smart way. Ang tips ko lang kapag bago ka dito sa Finland, wag kang bumili ng yung as in na pupunuhin mo yung ref mo. Kasi masasayang lang yung food kapag hindi mo makakain everything. Like, huwag kang mag-grocery for the whole month. Lalo na yung mga perishable goods. Kasi dito, ang bilis mag-expire ng mga foods nila. And, yun yung mistake ko noon. Na like, parang pinupuno ko yung ref ko. And just buy what you need. Yeah, that's the good term. Just buy what you need. Don't forget to get your S cards, K cards, and for example, sa S group, so kasama sa S group ang Prisma, and every time I go to Prisma or S Market or Call Market, I have another Call Market. Here in Finland, you get points. So nagkakaroon ka ng points, and yung points na yun, nakakonvert siya sa money. So it's very convenient. I mean, nagbabay ka na nga ng mga items nila, and in return, may babalik talaga sa'yo. So, yun lamang guys, ang aking budget-friendly advice when you come here in Finland and do your grocery shopping. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you have learned something, and yeah, let's continue to grow and learn more as we live here in Finland. Thank you so much everyone. Bye! And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Please do follow my upcoming videos. God bless. Bye!